Good day everyone, this is Angelus Ramos from BSED Math 3A. Now in this video, we are going to talk about the final project number 5, which is to show that it is a permutation group. Now in this project, we are going to show that the geometric model symmetrical web is a permutation group. And before we begin, let us first explain what a permutation is in terms of groups in abstract algebra. So a permutation is a bijection from a set to itself. So to easily understand this, a permutation is where every element is mapped uniquely to another element or itself, ensuring a one-to-one correspondence. So to prove this in the context of asymmetrical web, we will take it into consideration the fact that a permutation is a special type of functions, given that we will use the elements in the symmetrical web as an operation to show how each element is mapped to another. However, before we perform all these complexities, let us first recall the moves inside the symmetrical web. So let us begin. So the geometric model. So let us recall the front, which is this, then the back. So as you can see, it's already discussed on the previous project. Now let us recall the movement in front, which we have the M, which is the do nothing, and A, which is the 45-degree rotate counterclockwise, and T for 90-degree rotate counterclockwise, and H 135-degree rotate counterclockwise, and E rotating 180-degree rotate counterclockwise, and N 225-degree rotating it in counterclockwise. Then I counterclockwise rotating to 70-degree. Then K 315-degree rotate counterclockwise. Proceed tayo sa back, which we have 1 is to flip vertically, then 3 flip between diagonal and vertical axis, then 5 flip about left diagonal, and 7 flip between left diagonal and horizontal, then 9 flip horizontally, 11 flip between right diagonal and horizontal axis, then 13 flip about right diagonal, and 15 flip between right diagonal and vertical axis. Okay, so after recalling the front and back movements of symmetrical web, we will now proceed on show the moves that can be generated from each of the elements. So we have the movement for permutations. So first, we have the M containing the elements M, A, T, H, E, and I, K, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, wherein M, in the position of M, we have M, in the position of A, we have A, in position of T, the same way the movement, we have the do nothing. Okay? So, same element. Next, in A naman, wherein in the position of M, we have A, then in the position of A, we have T, in the position of H, we have T, we have H, then in the position of H, we have A, then in E, we have N, and in the position of N, we have I, then in I, we have K, then in K, we have M, in 1, we have 15, in 3, we have 1, and then 5, in the position of 5, we have 3, in the position of 7, we have 5, and then followed by 9 with the 7, and then 11, which is in the position of 11, we have 9, and then in the position of 13, we have 11, and 15, which is 13. Next, in the T, which is M, in the position of M, we have T, and then A, we have H, E, N, I, K, M, A, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Proceed tayo kay H, which is the position is H, E, N, I, K, M, A, T, 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then E's, we have E, N, I, K, M, A, T, H, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7. Followed by N, which is N, I, K, M, A, T, H, E, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5. And then followed by I, which is I, K, M, A, T, H, E, N, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 1, 3. Then K, we have K, M, A, T, H, E, N, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1. Followed tayo in the, which is 1. In the position of M, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, M, A, T, H, E, N, I, K. Then 3, which is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1. K, M, A, T, H, E, N, I. Then in 5, we have the positions of the elements here, which is 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 1, 3, I, K, M, A, T, H, E, N. And then in 7, we have 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, and 1, K, M, A, T, H, E. Also, followed by, oh my god, 9, which is 9, 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, E, N, I, K, M, A, T, H. Then 11, which is 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, H, E, N, I, K, M, A, T. Then 13, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, T, H, E, N, I, K, M, A. And last, we have 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, A, T, H, E, N, I, K, M, A. Now, since we're done in identifying the permutations movement, we will use now the permutations movement in identifying the elements in permutations group of the symmetrical web. So let us begin. Permutations group of operation, which is M operates M, wherein M, we all know the positions of M, which is the do nothing, which is M, A, T, H, E, and I, K, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And since they are the same, therefore, the resulting elements here is M. Let us proceed to M. M operates A. As we all know, when we operate a permutation group, we all the first element will be the second element will be the first one, then followed by the first element into the second element. So we have A with an elements A, T, H, E, N, I, K, M 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15 operates to M, which is M, A, T, H, E, N, A. Okay, as you can see, here, let's check here in the position of, on the second, let's look on the second element, which is still, we're here in the position of M, we have M. Then let us look at here on the first element, which is A. Then proceed by the second element, which is A. And here is T, H. Therefore, the resulting element will be A. Now let us proceed to M operates T. As I said, the second element will be the first one. Then which is T, H, E, N, I, K, M, A, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And M, A, T, H, E, N, I, K, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Kasi, therefore, the resulting elements will be T. Now, now proceed with M operates H, which is the elements in H is H, E, N, I, K, M, A, T, 11, 13, 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Operates to M, which is M, A, T, H, E, N, I, K, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, wherein the resulting elements will be H. Now, by continuing the process, by continuing the operating all the elements, after showing the permutation group, we will now show the permutation group, which is the summary of the operations of all the group elements. Therefore, this will be the summary of the result. So, this will be the original. So, by comparing the table, given this permutation table of results, it is the same to the original table for the group, which means they are isomorphic to each other, means this group permutation is proven as a group wherein it contains the four fundamental group, which is the close and well-defined. It has an inverse, it has an identity element, and also inverse elements exist. So that's all for the final project number 5.